Welcome to Sight Words List 1. We will practice these words by first hearing the sounds to the word and then writing the word on our paper. So you will be given the sounds first. Try your best to try and write the word before you see the letters on the screen. It's okay if you make mistakes. Just go back and fix them. Fix them right away and continue. Here we go. Our first word is and. 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 Next word, in. 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 Next word, the. Or the. The. Next word, a. Very simple. Just the letter A. Next word, my. My. Next word, you. 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 Next word, two. Two. The O is a vowel and can make different sounds. We'll learn more about that too. Next word, I. The letter I, uppercase, because we're talking about ourselves. I. Next word, am. Am. Next word, for. Or. For. That's all for now. Keep on practicing.